Hello everyone, I am Shivam Barnawal from CMH College Patna. Still, I am pursuing BSc IT first year. I am here to give the onward presentation on the topic of functions in C under the guidance of Raju Upadhyay sir. So, come to my page. Functions are the backbone of programming language C. There are two types of functions, single level functions and multi-level functions. Single level functions. When the main function directly calls a single user defined function is called single level functions. There is some major points of single level functions and there is the example. So let's go to try and run. Here is my example of single level function. When the single level function direct calls a main function and then function will be executed. Multi-level function. A multi-level function is one in which one function calls another function and another function calls another functions. This is multi-level functions. Here is the example of multi-level functions. This is a multi-level function. First main function called this main function calls display, and display calls to num functions void, and then back when display functions call to show function and show functions call to printf, and return back to printf gone to show function, as show function come to display function. Now we will try to execute this program and the output is number 5. Thank you. If anybody have questions, you can ask.
Ask question. Go to the program. So question from my side, you are calling a function display.
Yes.
And from the display you are calling show function. So you are passing up one parameter.
Yeah, I'm passing one parameter to go to printf and then back to
So
show function.
in line number 9 you have written show, and within a parenthesis you have written num. So what kind of parameter is? What is the what kind of parameter it is called? And in the line number 2, if within a show function you have written intx, so what kind of parameter it is called?
It is variant.
No, I wanted to know the type of parameter. Anybody else? Yeah, just a minute. Integer is a data type. I wanted, my question is different. What parameter it is said and called?
Line number 9, num is a num parameter is a actual parameter, and line number 2, x is a formal parameter.
Yes. So this was my question. So you need to know, you need to explain this thing properly during the presentation. Anyway, Shivam, it was a nice effort from your side. So thank you very much for giving your presentation to us.